Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. Today I want to show you how to make a Maitreya Buddha pendant necklace. This Buddha pendant is carved with natural black obsidian, and you can see from the head to the feet is matte, and the rest of this pendant is bright, very well polished. For the necklace rope, I chose a blue-green hue to create a contrasting look. And then I will add one bead of light green Nephrite jade here to make a transition color. It's gonna drive the beauty of this necklace. So actually, all we need to do is to attach this Buddha pendant to the string. I have published a few videos about this before. You can go to the DIY learning playlist to check it out. Easy making and beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.